In today's video, we are going to be showing you how you can sell crypto how you can sell your crypto using Binance account. So if you have not signed for Binance account, I'll put the link on the description of this video so that you can sign one for yourself. And if you don't know some things that you need to do before buying or selling or crypto on Binance, in our last video we made how you can everything that you need to know before you buy or sell crypto on Binance. So if you have not watched that video, I will put the link in the description of this video so that you can go and watch that video. So in this very one, we are going to teach you how to just sell on Binance. So it's very necessary after watching this video you go and watch that very one, so you need everything you need to know before you buy or sell crypto on Binance. So let's jump right in the video. So when you open your Binance account, this is my Binance account. When you open, you go to where there is p2p trading. You click on the p2p trading. There's a lot of trading here. You go to sell, not buy. You go to sell button. The selling will come out. You can see different type of selling, and you have two type of selling here. When you come to this p2p on the top of this place, when you click on it, you will see express. This express, if you click on express, Binance will automatically give you price of selling on express. They are selling 778, which is this price. They are selling 778.99. So but my advice for you is that if you want to buy crypto, you come to p2p, you will see different price variety, and you can chat on with the person, and you can also find different price that suit you where you want to buy. And another thing, when you come to p2p and you want to sell, you see 778. Assuming you are buying BTC USDT, assuming you are buying this USDT, so you see 778.91. That is what they are selling. And on express they are selling 0.99. You can see the difference, and you can even see more different if you come to filter. If you come to filter, if you come to this filter, you go to sell, come to this filter at the right, you put the amount. Let's say you want to buy crypto of 10,000 naira. You remove it from only show. You will remove this very one that say show only merchant. You first of all put your 10,000 bank transfer, then you remove it from only show add from merchant. You can see the price are reduced 779.16, not 9 something again. So you can see different price. And if you want to buy crypto, sell crypto, you just come to this place and click on sell with the particular price in which you want to sell your crypto. If you want to sell with this person's price, you click on sell, and once you click on sell, you see the person terms. Here. If you are not okay with it, you go back and click on another person's own. You see this person's term. I'm online. You can go free. 100% for me. So see this person's term. It doesn't have too much terms. You can go to flat. You can put amount in which let's say you want to sell for 10,000. You can put 10,000 and you say sell. Once you click this sell, your crypto it will go to the person, and the person will make payment for you. So that's the way. Once you click on sell, you have to first of all put your payment method also. Once you come here, you put your amount, you select your payment method, which we discussed in our first video. We discuss everything, even the payment method. You put the payment method that you want the person to pay for you, and you click on sell, and the person will send you and you release the crypto. So that's literally how to sell your crypto using Binance. So I urge you guys to go and watch the first video, when we discuss everything that you need to know when you want to sell or buy crypto on Binance. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and Also click on the notification button so that anytime we upload video, you'll be the first person to get notified. And don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you very much. One love.